Only 1 in 500 ostriches meets the leather standard for a high-end blazer.
Elasticity and skin density are what ultimately determine the leather's value.
Only ostriches with flawless skin are allowed into the production pipeline.
Vitals stable. Ostrich Zulu 9, heart rate steady at 45 BPM. Condition remains premium grade.
Ostrich leather is renowned for its exceptional durability. Chemical penetration at this stage defines how long the blazer will last.
Carefully selected from premium ostrich leather, a single hide yields only a few refined pattern pieces, where each grain falls determine the blazer's value.
The shoulder piece placement station precisely aligns the crocodile grain, ensuring a perfect flow across the upper torso.
Collar pieces are backed with structural lining, wrapped in ostrich leather,
then pressed in a curved mold to lock in the blazer's classic lapel shape.
Pattern cutting is finished. Choosing exactly where each grain falls on the ostrich leather is the most demanding artistic step.
Sewing on ostrich leather demands special needle force and tension. A single bad stitch can ruin the crocodile pattern.
Controlled steam jets soften the chest area, while a female South Asian tailor shapes the front by hand.
Finished sewing is where engineering and handcraft meet. Working with ostrich leather demands patient, skilled hands.
QC examines every millimeter of grain on the ostrich leather. Perfection is the standard.
Color and pattern uniformity scanner. A sensor head moves along the blazer front, measuring the consistency of the deep black tone and pattern across multiple zones. The blazer is gently straightened, then slipped into a thick fabric garment bag with a moisture-absorbing insert to protect the ostrich leather.
QC is the final shield. Every ostrich leather blazer must reach absolute standard before it appears in public. From ostrich to flagship display, this is a journey of meticulous work and high value.
As you can see here, the ostrich leather has a unique quill pattern, and this is our new black crocodile finish, which is
Each ostrich leather blazer is the result of engineering skill and deep respect for its origins.
From ostrich to blazer, an industrial and artisanal journey where technique elevates natural beauty.